I don't know if you see this right here, but man, this is, oh, folks, this is a Bannerstone, I bet you. Oh, it's a busted one. Busted ball Bannerstone, banded slate. Look at that. The other piece is probably here too. I'll have to sift a bunch in here. Oh, this would have been a year maker. Look at that. Oh, this is a real old site. That's worth the trip. Any slate stuff you can find like this, it's beautiful even though it's broke. Look, you can see what it was. This is an addle throwing weight for a ooh, what's that? That looked good, but that's some kind of, but man, can you, but after that serrated point, if this would have been whole, I'd have been half hesitant to put it on. People wouldn't have believed me. Oh, but this is just sickening. It would have been museum quality, you know. Anything like this, it's whole and perfect. It's just like hitting like the pick 3 lottery or something. Wow, I knew exactly what that was going to be, a Bannerstone, by looking at that material. Wow, folks, wow. Love this kind of stuff. Wow. Well, anyway, I'll put up pictures of this and show you some other examples, tell you about what they're used for. This is pre-bow and arrow, so this was thrown off an addle throwing setup. I'll put up for information on that. This is a piece of it, and it's rare to find this. Later, folks. That one out there on the, he's setting up here. He's getting a swing and everything. Look at him. Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. Yeah, I got a Bannerstone, so it was worth the trip. There's a bunch of them in there. I'll go see if I can't get the horses next. Later, folks. Alright, it's been a while. There's some of the boys out there. There's 1, 2. There's like 10 of them out there. And look at this. Look here coming. Hi, buddy. And your buddies are coming too? Look at this handsome guy. What's going on, big boy? What's going on? It's alright. It's alright. You can sniff me. You're alright. You're alright. Pretty boy. Look here coming. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You can sniff me over here and I'll give you a rub down. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Look at this handsome boy. Hi, bud. What a good looking boy. Look over here. That's dirty boy there. I can smell him from clear over here. Look at this. Look at this. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Look over here. You getting left out? You gonna sniff me? You wanna sniff me? A pretty girl. Here comes Big Man. This is a big horse right here. He's almost, I'd say he's close to 6 foot off the ground. Hi there. Hi there. You're huge, aren't you? You're about 7 foot at the head there, aren't you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a nice boy. I see you, buddy. And look at this boy. Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. That old boy's peeing. You relieving yourself, buddy? Hi there, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're nice. I like you too. I like you too, buddy. I like you too. Boy, they're loving me today. I haven't seen you guys for a while, huh? River's been up. See you, buddy. I was missing you too. I was missing you too, buddy. What a handsome boy. That one's got gray hairs. This place is a place where horses come to like retire and stuff. They take really good care of them. They're always neat and everything's all tidy here. They're beautiful animals. It's nice that somebody does that. It's very nice, honestly. But there's a good look at my buddies. I'll get back. Bannerstone today, folks. All right. Later.